Hello everyone, myself Pradeep Palkar, working as assistant professor in the Department of Instrumentation Engineering in AISSMS IIT Pune. In this video, we have to discuss project teams. The project teams, the project team is a group of individual towards to achieve a specific project objective within the defined time, cost, and quality. The effectiveness of project largely depends on how well the project team work together. Okay. A project team is a group of people working together to a specific project objective, including in the project team, that is one project manager, one engineer, one designers, and other specialist related to the project. This is called project team. Project team is a group of individual brought together to achieve a specific goal. See here, the another important part is a teamwork. Teamwork means working together effectively toward a common goal. Okay. The teamwork refers to the coordinate efforts of team member working together toward a specific goal. And what are the important of teamwork? The important is that is the combined different skills, knowledge, and experience and improve the productivity. Improve problem solving and decision making. Increase efficiency and productivity. Enhance creative and innovation. Reduce the error and project risk. Builds trust and coordination. That is the importance of team. See here, there is a teamwork. The picture is show that the teamwork. Okay. Now, next, what are the characteristics of effective teamwork? The clear objective and shared vision, open and honest communication, that is also characteristics, and trust and respect, clearly defined roles and responsibility, and cooperation and coordination. The another important part is a design teams. In the design teams, focus on the planning and creative solution. Common in that is engineering, software, and product development. Multiple with working with multiple teams. And design team focus on the developing technical design, models, drawing, and system layout. Okay. Design team means the focus on the developing technical design, models, drawing, and system layout. And what are the composition? Just the common in engineering, engineers, designers, domain expertise, analyst. These are the composition. And what are the responsibility? Convert requirement into design solution. ensure the technical flexibility, optimize performance and cost, and maintain the quality standards. See here, we'll discuss the function, the problem solving, concept development, design and testing, and improvement and innovation. These are the designing team directly implemented product quality and system performance. So the key features of designing team is cross-functional collaboration, high creativity and innovation, regular design review, and strong coordination with implementation team. Okay. Thank you.